So guys, the first thing you need to do is to go to this website, to follow this media link website, the media file links. Go here and just hit the download button, and the download will begin. You can see here I already have it installed. Now go back to the app. After installing, you have to, this is the icon, just open it up, go agree and continue, just the same like your original WhatsApp. Enter your phone number, I have to choose the country first. The link will be in the video description, so don't forget to check it. I will save the code. Escape because I don't have any update here. You can see APK Designer. Okay, great. You can see everything's just here. I have extra settings here. If you have any question in comment, just ask your question here in the comment section. I have no lot of things. Let me start the chat. Click here. So guys, that was it. Hope that it was helpful for you. Just follow the link and like the video, and don't forget to subscribe, and